Hi guys, Jonathan here, and it's 2 weeks after my DHI Australia hair transplant. As you can see, the hairs are growing. This is just 2 weeks after. So pretty amazing for just coming out of it. Reactions from friends and family have been great. Some people think I look younger. One friend, she doesn't actually believe that I had a hair transplant just 2 weeks ago, but everyone's pretty amazed at how fast I've recovered and back to looking, normal, but with a new hairline. I still find myself when I go to catch up with friends and family, I do this to brush my hair across. Obviously, I don't need to do that anymore. It's a habit, so a bit of an adjustment for me, but a really good adjustment. And for you guys watching this, if you haven't gotten to DHI yet and had a diagnosis or a consultation, for me, I wish I'd done that earlier. It was a real turning point for me, going from researching and thinking about hair loss to actually getting some qualified information I could make a decision on or do something with. So I would highly recommend that. So in terms of where I'm at, I'm really happy with where the hair is and how fast it's growing back. Another week, so after week 3, I can start getting back into exercise. I really feel like I'm fully recovered now and can get into that, but I've got to wait just one more week. But I will update you guys really soon.